Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Citizens Bank password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.citizensbank.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Citizens Bank, which looks like this, go and click the login button at the top right. Select your login type and click on the login button. On the next page, you'll need to type in your online user ID for your Citizens Bank account. Also, provide your password in the next field and you can get access to your account right away. If you don't remember your password or your user ID while logging in, you can click on this trouble login in button. On the next page, select your account category from the first option. Once you make your selection, select the problem you're facing. You can choose whether you've forgotten your user ID by clicking on this first link, or if you've forgotten your password, click on I forgot my password. Click the continue button and on the next page, enter your online user ID in the text box. After typing in your user ID, click the continue button. Once your account has been located, you'll be guided on further instruction to reset your password to a new one. That way, you can easily reset your forgotten password for Citizens Online Banking account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.